Hare Krishna. This year, as we celebrate the 50th anniversary of the installation of Sri Sri Radha Vallabha at ISKCON Melbourne, we would like to extend a big thank you to all of you, the devotees, the volunteers, friends, family members of the larger community and visitors to the Hare Krishna temple.
It's been an incredible journey, full of vibrant festivities and joyous celebrations of chanting, dancing and feasting. Extending the joy of Krishna consciousness to one and all is the most satisfying experience of this journey.
This song is an expression of our deep gratitude to Srila Prabhupada for giving us the shelter of Sri Sri Radha Vallabha and the association of their wonderful devotees like you. Thank you and Hare Krishna.
वैकुण्ठो व्रजधाममन्दिरमिदं चेति त्वया कीर्तितम् त्वाद्भक्तेः परात् परो रसमयो सम्पूर्णतत्त्वात्मको राधावल्लभविग्रहो विलसतो विक्रीडतोऽनुग्रहात् तत्प्रेष्ठा प्रभुपादते पदरजो वन्दे हृदङ्गादिभिः।
O Srila Prabhupada, you have emphatically proclaimed that this Melbourne Mahaprabhu temple is the spiritual abode of Vaikuntha and Vrindavan. Here, out of their causeless mercy, only to reciprocate with your pure loving devotional service the ultimate forms of transcendence, comprising both the masculine and feminine aspects of the Absolute Truth, Sri Sri Radha Vallabh, enact their divine pastimes. They resplendently shine forth here as the embodiments of transcendental mellows. With my heart, words, and body, I offer my humble obeisances at the dust of the lotus feet of Srila Prabhupada, who is very dear to Sri Sri Radha Vallabh.
यन्मन्दिरे श्री प्रभुपादतीर्थं शास्त्राणि कुर्वन् परिबोधयं स्वं पुनश्च दीना नवसापरार्थं महाप्रभु क्षेत्रम् इदं नमामि।
I offer my humble obeisances to this Melbourne Mahaprabhu temple where Srila Prabhupada resided, writing books, preaching Krishna consciousness, and in this way purifying and uplifting suffering humanity. O Srila Prabhupada, out of your causeless mercy, you indeed transformed this mundane land into a holy tirtha, a sacred place of pilgrimage.
आचार्यवर्येण मुदाभिषिक्ता संकीर्तने वेदरवैष्णुतो सुवासदिव्या भरणेश्च दीप्तो वन्दे जगत्पावन गौररूपो।
The preeminent teacher of our Krishna Conscious Society, His Divine Grace, Srila Prabhupada, blissfully consecrated Sri Sri Gauranitai by personally conducting their first bathing ceremony here. Scores of devotees glorified their lordships with roaring kirtan and chanting of the Purusha Sukta hymns. Then, decorated with divine and brilliant garments and ornaments, their transcendental bodies shone radiantly, I offer my humble obeisances unto the golden forms of Sri Sri Gauranitai, who are delivering all the fallen souls of the entire world.
मोहार्तपावनपदो परिभूषितार्च हृद्याननावुरशिलो वरपीवराङ्गो सङ्कीर्तनोद्यतकरो करुणाब्जनेत्रौ चारु भ्रुवौ च जयताम् अवधूतगौरौ.
All glories to Sri Sri Gauranitai. The mercy emanating from their lotus feet delivers the fallen and suffering conditioned souls afflicted with all kinds of material illusions. Their divine forms are characterized by strongly built limbs, which are tastefully decorated daily by their servants with fine garments, ornaments, and fresh flower garlands. Their broad shoulders and expansive chest are very attractive, and their charming faces are adorned with lotus petal-like eyes, which appear moistened with tears of compassion for everyone. Their very beautiful eyebrows are especially attractive. Adorned here in this way, their lordships encourage everyone to perform Sankirtan by their upraised arms.
Srimad Pratishta Gurunaabhishektam Premna Shubhadvaita Tithau Samodam Prajela Santam Yugala Swarupam Madhurya Dhamanam Imam Namami.
On the auspicious appearance day of Sri Advaitacharya, imbued with pure love, ISKCON founder Acharya, His Divine Grace Srila Prabhupada, in a monumental event, personally performed their first bathing ceremony and welcomed Sri Sri Radha Vallabh to reside at Melbourne. The divine couple, who are the abode of all sweetness, blissfully enjoy pastimes in Sri Vrindavan Dham, thus descended here at the request of His Divine Grace. I offer my humble and respectful obeisances unto the merciful lordships Sri Sri Radha Vallabh.
Divyasrajam sakarunam sharadindu kantim susmera sundara mukhabja drisham kishorim divyam saroruhakaram varadam varangim radham swavallabhamayim cha sadanusevai.
At Melbourne Mahaprabhu Temple, Srimati Radharani, in her youthful form, has exquisite limbs that are decorated with divine flower garlands and fine garments. Her charming face is adorned with a beautiful smile and lotus petal-like eyes. In her left hand, she carries a blooming lotus flower, while with her right hand, she profusely blesses everyone out of compassion born of affection. Her graceful form is lustrous like the autumn moon. Srimati Radharani is the transcendental counterpart of Lord Sri Radha Vallabh. I humbly pray that I can always serve her by serving the disciplic succession.
Manjira mandita padam vanamalya haram chitrambaram suvadanam sarasiruhaksham कैशोररूपम् अतिसुन्दरमन्दहासम् राधातिवल्लभविभुं च सदानुसेवये.
At Melbourne Mahaprabhu Temple, Lord Sri Radha Vallabh has his lotus feet decorated with enchanting ankle bells. His youthful form is adorned with vibrant necklaces, luscious fresh flower garlands, and dazzling colorful outfits. His charming face is adorned with lotus petal-like eyes and a soft but gorgeous smile. Lord Sri Radha Vallabh is the beloved of his dearmost Srimati Radharani. I humbly pray that I can always serve him following in the footsteps of the disciplic succession.
रथोत्सवे श्री प्रभुपादपार्श्वं सार्थं भगिन्या सबलसमोदा ऐश्वर्यधामा विरभूकृपालु श्रीमज्जगन्नाथ नमो नमस्ते.
Lord Jagannath, along with his sister Srimati Subhadra Devi and his elder brother Lord Baladev, made their appearance for the Melbourne Rath Yatra festival on a historic event in the personal presence of Srila Prabhupada. I repeatedly offer my humble obeisances unto the most merciful and blissful Lord Jagannath, who is the abode of unlimited divine opulence.
स्नानोत्सवे भक्ता गणाभिषिक्तं दध्यन्नमेष्टादि च भक्षयन्तं तारुण्यभावात् कृतहस्तिवेषं वन्दे जगन्नाथ विभुं सुनेत्रम्.
Lord Jagannath is bathed ceremoniously in the yearly Snan Yatra festival by multitudes of devotees. The Lord then accepts various food preparations made of yogurt and chipped rice and varieties of other condiments and sweets. Then, invoked by his compassionate heart for his devotees, the Lord gives a special audience to all present in a divine elephant outfit. I offer my humble obeisances unto Lord Jagannath, who has very beautiful blooming lotus eyes.
मत्स्याकारधरं च मन्दरधरं भूमिधरं शुकरं शान्तं श्रीधरहरिं त्रिविक्रमविभुं श्रीचक्रमुद्राधरं श्रीशेषं च धनुर्धरं रघुवरं दिव्यं सुनाभं परं वन्दे चाश्वशिरोधरं गिरिवरं गोपाललीलाधरम्.
I offer my humble and respectful obeisances unto the various Shila forms of the Lord at Melbourne Mahaprabhu Temple. Here reside Lord Matsyadev, the beautiful and gigantic fish incarnation; Lord Kurmadev, who carried the Mandara mountain on his back; Lord Varahadev, who raised the earth with his tusks; Lord Nrsingadev, who was pacified by the affectionate prayers of Prahlad Maharaj; Lord Trivikrama, who covered the entirety of the 3 planetary systems with his mere 2 steps; Lord Dwarakashila, who is marked with numerous impressions of Sudarshana Chakra; Lord Anantadev, who manifests himself as the transcendental paraphernalia of the Lord; Lord Ramachandra, the wielder of the divine bow, who is the best among the Raghu dynasty. Lord Sudarshan, the divine disc weapon of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Lord Hayagriva, the protector of the Vedas, who has the face of a horse, also reside here. Shri Giriraj Govardhan, who is Krishna himself and who manifested as the best of all the mountains, and Lord Gopaladev, who performs numerous sweet pastimes, are also mercifully residing here.
राधा वल्लभ कल्प पाद पतले यन्मन्दिरे तीर्थ के सत्संगे रतिवर्धने च विधिभिः यात्राभिरर्चार्चते
In this temple, the Melbourne Mahaprabhu Mandir, which is a holy place of pilgrimage in a far corner of the world, reside Shri Shri Radha Vallabh. They are like the divine desire trees, fulfilling everyone's transcendental aspirations. Under their shelter, in the affectionate association of their devotees, loving devotional service nurtures and flourishes. Here, the deities are opulently worshipped according to all scriptural rules and regulations. Grand festivals are regularly celebrated for the pleasure of their lordships. The potency of the opulent prasadam being sumptuously distributed here rejoices, intoxicates, and transcendently maddens its partakers. The sun of transcendental knowledge radiates ever so brightly due to ever increasing preaching endeavors here. This temple is famous for its systematic education programs of various scriptures as elucidated by our Acharya. We pray that this Melbourne Mahaprabhu Mandir be the shelter for one and all.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna